Hi guys, for today's video, I introduce you a different tools in a workshop. We have a long nose pliers. This long nose pliers is pwede siyang pangkat ng wire or pangkuha ng mga maliliit na component sa loob ng mga machine. We have a claw hammer. Claw hammer is for removing nails and putting a nails in a box. Next, we have adjustable wrench. Adjustable wrench is for loosening and tightening any types of bolts. Next, we have rivet gun. This rivet gun is for putting a rivets in a plywood. Next, we have a labeling tool. This labeling tool is used to label the table in your workshop. Next, we have ratchet. This ratchet is for loosening and tightening the bolts easily. Next, we have a socket. Socket is for loosening and tightening and putting in the ratchet. Next, we have socket extension. This socket extension is using to extend a socket in the ratchet. Next, we have a socket screw. This socket screw is using for small bolts and nuts for loosening and tightening. Next, we have hand saw or wood saw. This wood saw is for cutting a wood or a plywood. Next, we have Allen wrench. This Allen wrench is for loosening and tightening the Allen screw only. Next, we have open end wrench. This open end wrench is for loosening and tightening the bolts in different sizes. Next, we have combination wrench. This combination wrench have open end and ring end. This combination wrench is for loosening and tightening any sizes of bolts or nuts. Next, we have a chisel. This chisel is for removing a cement in the floor. Next, we have tape measure. This tape measure is to measure a height or width of a component. Next, we have flat screw. This flat screw is for loosening and tightening a screw with a flat head only in a negative. Next, we have a drill bit. This drill bit is putting in a electric drill to make a hole in a component. Next, we have a blade cutter. This blade cutter is for cutting gaskets or seals in the component. Next, we have wire stripper cutter. This wire stripper cutter is for strip the wire easily. Next, we have a grinding disc. This grinding disc is for unsharp the edge of the metal. Next, we have a cutting disc. This cutting disc is for cutting metals.